Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Xero. Today we are going to learn how to fetch the contact with the help of the contact ID. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here in the previous video, what we have done is that we have create with the help of this one. Here we go with this one, right? So here we have created the contact with the ID. So here we have a contact ID. So I'm going to use this contact ID to fetch the details of that John Doe. Okay, let's copy this contact ID and let's paste it into our code. So here we go with this one. So here we have a contact ID. So let's paste this contact ID over here. Save this. Authorization token you have to fetch. You have to check the previous videos to get the authorization token. Tenant ID the same. Okay, then here we have the API, then contact ID, authorization, tenant ID, accept application JSON. Then we have a response and retrieve the contact in the rest and console.log with response data, else fail to retrieve the contact. Save this. Let's go and check this one. So here we have to go with this one node, and here you can see this is John Doe. Okay, the details of that one. So we have successfully retrieved the contact with the help of the contact ID. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.